Hello, my dear students. In this video, I'm going to explain about how to find the area of a triangle using determinant. This is for class 12 and I'm using this book Understanding ISC Mathematics by ML Agrawal. In my earlier videos, there are the properties of determinant, the minors, cofactors and expansions of the determinants. Everything I told with questions. So if you want to see the videos, then you can subscribe or you go follow my channel, that is Study Bright. So this is the area of triangle using determinant. As you know, if A, B, C are the vertices of a triangle A, B, C, clear? Anywhere, if you have a point, A is a point, B is a point, then with the coordinates x1, y1, x2, y2, x3, y3. These are the vertices of a triangle ABC. Before that, in the class 11th, also you have read how to find the area of triangle if vertices are given by using the formula x1, y1 means like this, x1, y1, x2, y2, x3, y3 and x1, y1 again. This is the area of the triangle and then you will write like this, multiply x1 y2 minus x2 y1 plus x2 y3 minus x3 y2 plus x3 y1 minus x1 y3. This is the area of the triangle. But this is the case when you have the means you have read in the class 11 about the coordinate geometry. Now with the help of determinant, the same thing comes in this determinant. In this determinant, x1, y1, x2, y2, x3, y3 and the last column you write as 1, 1, 1. When you expand, you will get the area, double the area of this triangle. Double the area of this triangle. It means take 1 by 2. So this will be the area of the triangle ABC. So this is the formula. This is the determinant having the coordinates x1, y1, x2, y2, x3, y3. कुछ भी ट्रायंगल मतलब जो ये ट्रायंगल के वर्टिसेस हैं, जैसे हमने लिखा x1, y1 ऊपर लिखा है, you can write in this x1, y1 यहाँ भी लिख सकते हैं, x3, y3 वहां भी. Means there is no restrictions. You can write the coordinates anywhere. But if you are writing the coordinate of A is here, then x1, y1. If you are writing the coordinates of B is here, so x2, y2, x3, y3 like this. So you can write anywhere, but the two columns will be the coordinates of the vertices and the last column will be 1, 1, 1. Divide by 2. When you expand this, you will get the area of the triangle. I am telling you the one question here, that is the using determinant, find the area of the triangle using this formula, same. But before that, one more thing in the area of triangle, if the 3 points are collinear, can you get the area of triangle? अगर 3 points collinear हैं, collinear का मतलब कि the 3 points are on the same straight line, मतलब A, B, C, same straight line. ये collinear, the meaning of the collinear. So whether you get the area of the triangle? No, never. जब 3 points एक ही लाइन पे होंगे on the one line, then you will not get area of the triangle. Means the area of the triangle will be 0. Why? Because triangle cannot be formed. Triangle बन ही नहीं सकता. So in that case you will get the area of the triangle 0. तो ये in this case for collinearity, और second thing बता रहे हैं, ABC are collinear, then area of triangle is equal to 0. So what you will get? x1 y1, x2 y2, x3 y3, 1 1 1 is equal to 0. This is 1 by 2, but 1 by 2 will go there, so you can write x1 y1, x2 y2, x3 y3. This is the condition for the collinearity. Okay, so these are the two things in the exercise 4.3. So I will tell you the one question here. One question, in every question you have to use the same thing, same formula, but one is there, like question number 6, using determinant. If the area of a triangle with vertices -3, 0, (3, 0) and C point 0, K is by this these vertices, the area is of the triangle is 9 centimeters square, 9 square unit. It is 9 square unit. Okay, find the value of K की वैल्यू निकालना using the area. तो in that case you write, as we know, area of triangle x1 y1, x2 y2, x3 y3 is equal to 9 and this 1 by 2. This is the area and this is equal to 9. It is given in the question. Now put the values x1 y1, that is -3, 0, (3, 0) and 0, K is equal to 9. Just you expand. So how to expand? This 2 you take that side and expand along which you can expand along the this C2, क्योंकि इसमें maximum 0 है, तो you can expand along the C2. तो ये these two are the 0, doesn't matter, बस ये तुम्हारा K आएगा, and in this case you will get the -K and the imaginary line -1 into 3 and -3 is equal to 18. 2 into 9. The expansion you can see in my earlier video, that how to expand the determinant. Then it will be the 6K is equal to 18 or K is equal to 3. This is the value. So by this way you can find the area or you can find the value of the constant if the question is given like this. Then is direct question, no problem, directly you can find. One question, if the points are collinear, prove that. Question number 9 is there. If the points A, 0, 0, B, 1, 1 are collinear, these are collinear, prove that A plus B is equal to AB. This you have to show. So how to show? These are the vertices of the triangle. These points are collinear, and you know the condition of the collinearity. We know condition of collinearity. What is the condition? x1 y1 1, x2 y2 1, x3 y3 1 is equal to 0. Okay, so put the values. So a comma 0, 0 comma b and 1 comma 1, and then simplify, expand. तो कैसे expand करेंगे? You can expand along C1. जैसे C1 के along expand किए तो A will be there, A, and then imaginary line, horizontal and vertical, B minus 1. Then 0 is there, no need. Then 1 is there, plus 1, horizontal line, and this line, this minus B is equal to 0. Then simplify this one, AB minus A minus B is equal to 0. Can you write that A plus B is equal to AB? Yes. So you can prove like this. So this is the way how to show the collinearity as well as the finding the area of the triangle. I think you have understood, and you subscribe the channel, that is the Study Bright. So you will get some more things about the maths subject as well as some more things about your career. Thank you and have a nice day.